We fought for 40 years to protect our individual rights. When all other attempts to defeat hackers were unsuccessful, we thought of uniting with our colleagues to outnumber them. Cybercriminals do not constantly reinvent themselves. They are on a tight budget and have little resources. They so employ playbooks to assault a large number of targets. In other words, the majority of assaults are not novel and are known to individuals. Despite the fact that the sector has received hundreds of millions of dollars, all we hear about are breaches. So why don't security providers cooperate and share knowledge if we already know that this is the key? It's easy. Vendors want to sell you something, they don't want to give it to you. A more effective method to combat cybercrime is cyber threat intelligence. The demand for efficient cyber threat intelligence sharing has never been stronger as the internet continues to grow and connect more people and devices than ever before. Businesses and other organizations must exchange information and cooperate to be secure online, since a danger to one organization may easily become a threat to many others in today's linked world. Being able to anticipate threats is one of the main advantages of exchanging cyber threat intelligence. We may proactively safeguard ourselves and our systems by exchanging knowledge about known vulnerabilities and assaults. This can assist avoid expensive downtime and reputational harm to our business. The capacity to react swiftly to new dangers is another crucial factor. We may quickly implement countermeasures to defend our systems and ourselves by exchanging information about active assaults. This can lessen the effects of an assault and limit subsequent harm. One of the initiatives enabling this crucial work is CrowdSec, which is setting the pace in the CTI field. A CTI platform that is open source and collaborative that has detection and repair tools. Without disclosing sensitive information about their networks and systems, it enables enterprises to exchange and receive real-time cyber threat intelligence and threat information. This makes it possible for businesses to work together and exchange information without risking their own security. It is impossible to overestimate the significance of exchanging cyber threat intelligence. The only way to effectively tackle significant issues is via cooperation. CrowdSec is performing threat detection in the same way that Waze performed traffic analysis and VirusTotal performed binary analysis. Information sharing must be done promptly and efficiently if we are to stay secure and defend against threats.